Hello. Now we come to the end of the complete session. By 12th session, we will be planning to close it. By hour wise, if you calculate, you might have practiced more than 12 hours or to 13 hours, right? Now, we have seen how to keep in mind while writing sentences, right? In 4 line and 2 line. Now, ma'am has written in single line, right? And we have made a specialized notebook which is designed like this, which is with the forks at the end, and third line will be given with the gray lines, so that using that you can easily practice. After the practice, what you can do is connecting is very easy. Just connect these lines. Using these lines, you will easily connect. So connection will be very easy for you. Okay, this will help to check. You see, this will help to check. See, this type of practice you have to do it. You don't get such specially designed sheets. I think you can, in one page, if you draw, you can do it, or you just take a sheet, okay, with whiteness, remove these lines, and then you can practice. Okay, that's the best way, right? Now here again the same thing. In the third line is our guided line, so using the third line you have to start, and again check the sizes, the space, and then the letter shapes, the shape of the letter, the space, and the line below and above. Suppose, see, if you draw this, you can easily check this. So prepare a sheet. Okay, prepare a sheet like this, and you start practice. This itself will take you to unruled practice. Okay, so this is a simple instruction I just want to give you. And the session 11 is going to give some more instructions to you. Okay, so what we have planned is, after this session, we will be waiting to receive your sheets. The day one you might have written your past handwriting, and now you have to write the present handwriting. We will see the changes. If you are interested to come along with us, you have to send a sheet, take a photograph and send to us. We will be going through all the feedbacks. So we will be waiting for one day to collect all the feedbacks. You can send the feedbacks in various forms. Like you can send it through our phone numbers, WhatsApp as photos, or mail. You can write your feedbacks and send in the mail your sheets. Okay, then we will go through everything. And we will be having a session keeping all these sheets. I'll show you, because from all over the states, even people are practicing in Dubai and USA, the Tamilians, those who are staying, they are giving this practice. So we will collect all those sheets and we'll show you from age wise. Okay, the same practice done by a child of 8 years, 9 years, 10 years, 15, 20, 50. That we will see. So that will give you some idea, right? So this is the session. And what next we are planning is, we are planning to take you to the next level. Those who are above 20 years, you can send these sheets, and we will be going to issue another 6 videos to become an instructors, handwriting instructors. It's a golden opportunity, don't miss it. And if you complete this and send the sheet, we will register. If you say that I am going to continue for your video for instructor, we will register your name, and we will be following you in the next 6 videos, and then later you will be sending a feedback sheet, and based on that we will give a lot of instructions to you how to handle, how to make it like a business. Okay, you can become a handwriting teacher. You can start your center for handwriting. Okay, and we are also issuing a certificate, but for that certification It's very strictly we are doing, so that there are some conditions that you have to obey to that. Okay, that we will see after those 6 videos based on your performance and then your presentations, everything. Then we will go for the certifications. And a set of material is also required when you go for instructors training. Okay, we will post in the first video. We'll give those instructions, and I think you can get ready to be a handwriting instructor or a handwriting teacher, because our certificates are valid in many schools with our logo. If you go as a handwriting instructors, they immediately take you. Many teachers, those who are not good in teaching, but they have learned this handwriting and they are now surviving. Okay, so it's a beautiful opportunity. It's an open opportunity, and it is not like mathematics or science or English. Okay, any child can come to you, anybody can come to you, so that you can guide them. Okay, it's a wonderful opportunity. Don't miss it. And I will be sending the email, everything. I will write it here that you can take down and you follow us. Okay, so thanks for you all coming along with this 11 sessions, and there is one more session, feedback session. That is the next session. By that we will close this and we will see what we assured 100%. We will check whether we have reached, and we will see the first intro video and the 12th session, how far it is closed. Okay, right. 1 minute, I will give you the email. Hello, this is my email, edugons2005@gmail.com, and mobile 897-3499-333, 897-3599-333. You can send the WhatsApp photographs of your sheets through WhatsApp to these 2 numbers, or scan it and send it to the mail, to this mail ID, or you can record your voice, your feedbacks about the sessions and what you felt. 1 minute you can send as an audio or a video. Okay, and we will go through all this. We will categorize, analyze. Then in our next session, we are going to discuss all about our overall session. For this session 12 will be the last session for us. It is around 15 hours. Okay, I think we are completing it little earlier, right? Okay, and next to this, those who want to travel with us, we will give you an opportunity. Those who are age above 20 years, what you can do is, the first sheet and the last sheet, if you send it to us and tell to register for instructors, we will register. Then we will be sending around 6 videos for you, and follow those 6 videos and equip yourself to be an instructor. Then we will go for certification. Okay. Hello. Another few miles if you walk along with us, we will take you to the next level to be an instructor, and you can start a center for handwriting, and you can teach many children. Okay, and another thing is, many of our instructors become teachers in various schools. So the certification is very valid. So you have started very easily, like a fun, but it is not fun. Okay, it's a beautiful skill, and this will be a profession later. Okay, based on your interest. If you really want to join in that session, okay, it's a free session. Okay, but what you have to do is, you have to register with your sheets first day and the 12th session sheet to us and register. Then we will send at least around 6 videos. You just do that. Then after analyzing all your sheets and based on your performance, and certification is the next step. So we will give you those instructions. Okay, and once you become an instructor, naturally you need the materials. Okay, otherwise it's very difficult. Just to learn the handwriting, it's okay, right? And later we have planned a program for mothers and teachers who can train children of age 3 plus, okay, a separate session. And after that for 5 plus for cursive writings, then Tamil handwriting sessions we are planning, and later reading and writing Tamil without mistakes in the very simple way. So that we are doing, because we have been in this field for so many long years, and we have trained many North Indians children to pass in Tamil examinations, okay. So we know how to handle those children, so it's very easy. So that we want to contribute to all, okay. So thanks for your travel with us in these 12 sessions, and please continue with us. We'll be doing a lot of sessions, and after all this is over, we are planning to go for teachers training in various subjects and skills and modern techniques in teaching, class handling, time management. So various planning are with us, and we have been in this field for last around 15 years, okay. So we want to contribute to all, okay. Thanks, bye, we'll see you again.